Today we will learn about how to create half-face image typography. Firstly, I am selecting the image I will be working on. I have downloaded this from Unsplash. Now I am unlocking the layer to further proceed. Here I am selecting the quick selection tool to make the selection of man's face on which I have to work on. And now by using the tool, I am selecting the face, and during selection, if you want to remove something from the selection, just use the tool with pressing alt. As you can see the minus sign on the tool, I am pressing the alt and dragging it to remove the neck from the selection, as I don't need it, I only need the face to work on. And almost we are done with the selection. And after selection, so I'm clicking on the select and mask tool to clean the everything outside the selection. You can see we only got the face clean. And now we have to choose a background color to make it look more prominent. I have chosen black here. You can see the results. The image look more prominent. And now after choosing the background color, I am selecting from the view tab the rulers to make the markings on the face on which I have to work on, or to mark the face on which I have to use as text. So here you can see I am marking in the middle. I will be using the half face for the text. After marking, I am selecting the left side of the face by using the selection tool. As you can see, the selection is done. Now, again, select and mask. But before selected mask, press Ctrl Shift I to invert the selection. And here the mask layer, duplicate the layer and delete the masked layer without applying on the duplicate layer. As you can see, we have the complete layer and we have the mask layer. And now the most important part, to apply text. Here select the text tool and write whatever text you want here, but before writing, select the suitable color according to your picture that goes with your picture, and also select the font that is kind of bold. I would suggest, because bold font would make your picture look more appealing uh, as compared to the thin font. Here you can see I have selected Bebas new font and I have written here B. But make sure to adjust the text according to the face, according to the shape you are using, according to your face size to cover, but make sure to cover the whole side of the face with the text so you will get the better results. Here you can see I am using text in the white color to make it look prominent in front of the picture. And now you can see the text I have arranged according to the face shape. And after the text, I am selecting all the text layers and grouping them. After grouping, you can see I'm selecting and grouping them. After grouping, I'm merging all the layers by using the merge. As you can see, the layers are merged. Now press Ctrl and select the text layer. You can see the selection. Now unhide the text layer, unhide the layer below it, and see the magic. Now press on the layer, mask layer. Here I am also changing the color to make it look prominent. And now on the mask layer, click and press delete. And here you will see the magic happen. You can see here. Now press Ctrl and D and remove the selection, remove the rulers, and you can see the half face image typography. Here you go. Will learn about how to transform an image into text. Here I am selecting the image I want to work on, and you can see here the image, and by using the quick selection tool I am selecting the whole object. Here you can see I have taken this picture of a man and I am selecting his whole body because I want this whole object to be covered in text. But make sure to make the finest selection so you also get the fine results. Make sure you don't left any corner or any part of the object so it doesn't look unprofessional. And here you can see the ears are not selected yet, so I'm selecting it now. And after the selection, here you can see the selection is almost done. After the selection, I'm using the select and mask to remove the background. Here you can see the background is removed now. And now I'm using another layer below the mask layer to create a layer of to create a solid color layer. Here you can see the white color is here, but I am not satisfied with white, so I'm selecting a kind of gray shade. You can see I have selected gray, and the background below the picture is now gray. And now I am selecting, I am getting another layer above the picture for text. Select the text tool and now create a text box that covers the whole object. As you can see, I have created a text box and it is covering my whole object. For the dummy text, I am using the website Lorem Ipsum. It has the dummy text with no copyright issues. So copying the first paragraph and using it for my object. Now click, and before pasting the text, make sure to select the color that is prominent on your object. Here I am selecting the black color. It is kind of prominent, you can see. So I'm pasting it again, pasting it again, pasting it until it covers my whole object, as you can see. Now by pressing Ctrl, select the text layer, and then go onto your object and copy it. Now unhide the text layer and you can see the magic. Here you go.